Hey guys, Sam here from keycommerce.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error here in Shopify when you're installing Google Analytics that says Analytics snippet does not look valid. I'm going to show you how to fix it straight away. The reason this is happening is because Shopify hasn't upgraded their dashboard. Here's how to fix it very easily. Remove that tag from there. You're then going to go to Themes on the left. You're going to go to Actions, Edit Code. And here, make sure that you select theme.liquid. It should say theme.liquid here. We're going to edit our theme. Below head, directly below it, paste that code. Okay, there it is. If you don't have this code, go back to Google Analytics, click the admin button down here, and then go to data streams. Click on your data stream here, and then click global site tag, copy. Then go back to your theme here and paste it right after the head. Click save. It should now be installed on your website. Go to your website and actually click a few different pages. This is going to send information back to Google Analytics and load that tracking code. We're then going to go to Google Analytics and select real time. So if I'm over here, I get out of this and go to real time here. It's going to load this page which says, yep, people have been going on the website, which is me clicking around, and it shows that the tag is actually working. If you're not seeing anything here, go back to your website, click a bit, wait 2 to 3 minutes, and it should start showing up. If it's still not showing up, confirm that you've installed it correctly. To do this, right click and go View Page Source. This is going to show you the code of your website. You should be able to see that exact code that you put in right below the head tag on your website. If you don't see this, make sure that you clicked save, then refresh your cache, clear your browsing history, and it should show up. If it's not, wait a few minutes and try again. You should then see the traffic coming through and Google Analytics 4 is now installed on your website. I also want to say that in the future, the reason this problem is happening is because Shopify haven't yet updated their dashboard to allow you to post this code directly into the dashboard in the preferences pane. In the future, they're probably going to fix this. When they do, I'll make a new video showing you how to install it this way. For now, you don't need to put anything in there and you can install it directly on your website just like I showed you in this video. If this video was helpful, guys, I really appreciate it if you let me know in the comments below and leave a like. Check out my other videos too. I make a lot of videos to help you guys grow your e-commerce stores with Google Ads, traffic, and everything in between. Hope this video was useful, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.